Hey everyone, this is Tirthalion, your YouTube psychic, and want to welcome you to my channel. Today I want to remind you to begin with to don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want, feel free to comment down below which one of these is your favorite card. So again, today we are dealing with an unboxing video, and as you see, this time I got a knife. Just in case. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, this is the Barbieri Zodiac Oracle. This is another Oracle deck, and I will be using this during readings, as clarification, or say somebody wants to know what their next boyfriend, girlfriend is going to be, if it's a Sagittarius or Gemini or whatever. So we'll jump into that. First thing, that was my washing machine. Sorry. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try and open this. I don't want to use the knife because I don't want to cut the box. Now, with an Oracle deck, they have usually they have less cards. There. And are used for various different purposes. So, now this deck has 26 cards. I hope it has a book, I'm not sure, but we'll find out. Now, I have seen some of these cards before. If I can figure out how to do it, I'll link the guy's channel down below. But if you have watched Aphrodite, he uses this deck as well. He's the whole reason I started my YouTube channel for tarot readings. And, let's see, open. Yep, there is a book. There's a lot of readings here. No pictures, though. Sometimes I like seeing the picture in the book, but with this, it's not necessary. Oh, the back's pretty. Now, how do you get this open without cutting these cards? Oh, and with COVID-19 going on around, these were wiped with Lysol wipe, and the plastic was wiped with a Lysol wipe, and it was left to sit for several days. And this is on the DL. I didn't really tell my husband about these, but by the time this video goes up, he'll know about them. They always say never use your money to buy tarot cards. Use your husband's. That way it's kind of like a gift. But that's an old wives' tale. I don't believe in that. I don't want to use this knife. Okay, I got a corner off. There we go. There's only 26 cards in this one, so we can go through this one real fast. Most tarot decks are 78. That's usually 22 major arcana plus the 22, was it 56 minor? So here we have Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, there's mine, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, then there's the Sun, the Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, That's pretty. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, fire, water, that one's pretty too, air, and earth. So yeah, these cards are real pretty. Here's the back. And, they're going to get some good use. They're going to give us some knowledge and let us know what's going on. Alright, so if you have any other questions, concerns, you want to know something else, just don't, feel free to ask down in the comments section below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Again, today we were opening up the Barbieri Zodiac Oracle. The book is apparently by Barbara Moore with the artwork by Paolo Barbieri. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day.